Had to go out there, had a partner out front. Let's see what this does. I love opening up packages, guys. That's what got me started doing reviews, by the way. I mean, if I like doing it, why not, right? And they're gonna send them to you. And I want to thank Bwine for sending me this drone to do a review on. I don't do any contracts. I don't sign any paperwork. I don't sign it most of the time. I don't do partner programs. I don't do anything that says, you know, oh, you get it for free. No, I'm doing this review like you would get it for a Christmas present in the mail, open it up, and then put it together. I've never done a drone before, so let's see how easy it is. It's the F7Mini SE. Flying free, enjoying fun, guys. That's what it says. It's got the app and everything on the side of the box, so you can scan the app to download it to set it up. It's no FAA registrations required. That's one of the reasons, guys, I never bought a drone. I ain't registering. I'm not stupid enough to fly a drone in electrical panels or wires running around, or if there's a freaking airport around. Come on, guys. And I'm not stupid enough to fly it in crowds where there's people, because I know this sucker's gonna crash. I'm gonna have it. It's gonna crash. And then stable wired transmission, 4K. Oh, pretty cool. 4K UHD. And then it says TOF and optical flow stable technology. I'm sure that means that when this sucker's in the air, it's stable, runs stable. But you know what? We don't know that until we run it. So let's get it open and stop bugging you guys. Oh, look at this. Oh, whoosh. Bwine, guys. Nice little box. Look at this thing it comes in. Excuse me. Waterproof bag. Let's see what we got here. Bwine. Oh, man, this is, dude, guys, a nice little case right here. Even if this sucker does crash and I never use it again, I like this little case. Not that I work anymore, I need a lunchbox, but let's check it out. Zip, 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 zip. Let's see, okay, let's see, let you guys look first. Oh yeah, this is a warning tag. And it's got a little remote control thing, I'm sure, that you put over the remote control, helps you start it up. So let's look and see what's in the box. Okay. Oh, we've got right off the bat, looks like 2 USB, 2 US Type C and regular USB connectors. Another one right here, USB Type C connector. I'm sure we're gonna need that for like charging the batteries or something like that. There's one box. And you got another box right here. Boom, okay, makes sense. Here's your battery, guys. Okay, yep, there's your battery. You're probably gonna need a couple of those, guys. See the power on that thing? Can you see it? I'll put a little picture of it closer up here. I always put little things up in the car to help you guys keep up with me, because I know I'm so smart that you guys can't keep up with me. Yeah, so there's a little battery. Doesn't look like a very big battery, guys. It's got 4 bars, and I'm sure once we turn it on, we'll see what the charge situation is. Boom. Okay, this is really cool, guys. This is nice. Wow, I like the handle on these things. Man, Bwine. It's got a little hand grips on the back. Look, right there for my, let's keep going. And then we got the, oh, guys, there is another battery. Hello, 2 batteries. Very cool. Battery slot goes right there. There's your little propellers. And this pops out like that. This pops, whoop, let's do this one first. That one's first. That one's second. Let's see that, nope, this one's third, and then fourth. And you got your little props. Look at that, oh yeah. Got me a drone, guys, that's dangerous. Danger, danger. Starboard bow with a drone. Guys, seriously, give me a week. I know you're gonna ask in the comments. I give myself maybe a week before this thing crashes. Bwine, don't be upset, but like I said in my email, I'll do an honest review. Battery slots right there. Just goes Boom, right in there, guys. And you got 2 batteries. So that's cool. And you press the button and it slides right out. What we got here? Oh, okay, and this is your camera right here, guys. Little slot, can you see that? Oh, there you go. There's your little camera and a little cover. And we'll keep that on there till we figure out what's going on so we don't mess up the camera. Oh, there you go. She's on. Let's put that baby right there. Nice little case here. Okay, little zipper. We got the user's guide right here, guys. Who needs a user's guide? I need a user's guide. Don't throw away a user's guide. All right, guys, that's what comes in the box. You got extra screws. You got a couple of extra remote handles right there. You got 2 that come with it right here. And you got 2 extra ones, a bunch of screws for extra for the propellers. You've got total set of 2, 4, 6, 8 extra propellers. You got a Apple OS with a Type-C. And then you have the micro USB with the Type-C. And then you got 2 Type-Cs with regular USBs. 2 batteries. You got the drone. You got the handheld controller. And you got yourself a little cheat sheet that you can put right on top of the remote. And there you go, guys. That comes in the box. Let's go ahead and throw all these batteries and the unit and all itself on the charger. Make sure that it's completely charged up. And remember, guys, starboard bow is not the expert. The expert is Bwine. B-W-I-N-E. There you go. 2 batteries. Hooking up, charging with the USB, regular USB-A to Type-Cs. Comes with 2. That's an up. That's a plus, guys. There you go. Got my units, 15 watts. So each one of these charges about 7.5 watts. Could have used Type-C to Type-C, make it a lot faster. We'll see. All right, let's look at the handheld controller real quick. Looks like you got 2 thumb drive or thumb controllers right here. Screw those babies right there. Got another one right here. Cool. And you got a couple of extras right here too. Let's see. You got the, oh, okay. There's your phone holder right there. Put the cell phone in there, and then you got. Oh, looks like you got a. What is this? Oh, USB to Type-C. Okay. A USB to Type-C cable. Okay, that's cool. So charging the unit, and it comes within it. And you can just pop that back in there, pull that back up here. Make sure that's plugged in there. Boom. Cool. Got your little, let's see here. This is a return to home. I can seen that before. Your power button. You got a little video button right here. Your probably your zoom right there. We're going to open this up. We're going to check out what everything is. And you got 3 different modes, I guess. Cinematic, normal, and then sport. Can you guys read that right there? All right, you can see that. Okay, you can see that. Cool. I like this little extra, having these extra right there. That's cool. Then you got your Type-C connector to charge this thing, I am sure. Let's go ahead and leave the film on there for now. But that's your controller, guys. I like the hand. Oh, I like the way it handles there. And like I said, the phone gets plugged in right there. All right, that's your controller. We'll figure out the extra things about what all this stuff is right there. I'm pretty sure that's return to home. Says, see, look, home, H, return to home. All right, let's check out the drone. Okay, and then you got the drone. You got your 8 blades. You got your extra blades right here, which are pretty cool, and the extra screws. See these little screws right here? That's what all these screws are over here. Got a little screwdriver. And you got your battery controller right there. This is your camera. Notice it's just a regular camera. It's not a gimbal. So that's interesting. Okay. I thought let's just pop that. Oh, that's on. Okay. Oh, there you go. That's probably your, okay, only gets up to 128 gigabytes SIM card. plug that baby right into there. Looks like you got a couple of vents or something going on right there. Then you got your battery controller right here. You just plug that boom right there, and I'm sure if you press that power button, it's going to tell you 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's pull that. Let's leave the battery in there for now. Okay, there you go. Pretty cool, guys. That's your unit. I mean, pretty self-explanatory. Now comes the hard part, is getting this thing up in the air. Let's give it a shot. All right, cross your fingers, guys. Remember, guys, check the end of the video for really a detailed clip on how to set up the drone and the handheld together. In the meantime, all I'm doing is using the beginner's mode here. Just pressing the great thing about the beginner's mode is you can just it lets you just, it's basically the drone or the handheld takes control, lifts the drone up in the air. You can get used to the little buttons. You can get used to the throttle and the little handheld controllers, you know, to go up and down. And there's a little button there. You just press it again and slide it, and it automatically lands by itself. So. Okay, guys, this is where I started to get a little braver, and I'm just kind of being careful when I'm getting up there, because you can see it's not that crowded. It's the only reason I decided to check it out. But I'll tell you what, the camera, the picture quality is not bad at all. It is shaky. It's a smaller drone. It doesn't have a gimbal on the camera, so when you stop it or when you turn it, it kind of moves around a little bit and everything. So I'm just getting braver with it. So let me know what you think, guys. This is where I start messing with some of the features on here. The up and down, there's a little controller on top of the controller button that you can scroll to bring your camera face downward, face it up. Then here I just kind of hit the left controller to go left and right. The left controller basically lifts it straight up, lifts it straight down, and if you move it to the left, it goes to the left. If you move it to the right, it goes to the right. Now the right controller speeds makes it go forward and backwards. So just, you know, this is one of the things about this drone. It's a great user, first time user here. It's just landing on its own. Right, starboard bow crew. I want to thank Bwine for sending me this drone, the F7Mini SE, guys. Very easy to handle. It has all the options that you need for the best price you can get for beginners drone. You don't have to worry about calibrating it. You don't have to worry about licensing, getting this, getting that. It's very easy to learn. This is my first time doing a drone. I haven't did the hand gesture thing or the follow me, that kind of stuff, because I'm not that into it right now, but I will do it, and down the road maybe I'll do a little video on it. But right now, I want to thank Bwine for sending me this drone. Hopefully I'll do a good video for them. Guys, it's a great drone, especially for the price that's out there right now. So go ahead and grab the description of this video, check it, click down, look at the links, all the information, everything you can think about. And I want to thank, like I said, Bwine for sending it out to me. Let's go ahead and get this one last time underway. Take off. She's up in the air. Let's go a little higher. Check out this beautiful sunset that's going on. All right, let's wait for these ladies and these cute doggies to go by. There we go. Hey guys, that's the, okay, let's take a little turn, a little 360 right there of the Capistrano Beach. Look how beautiful that is, guys, huh? Come on. And there's we got the throttle, we go down. There's my Damon Hornet. Keep saying I didn't mean to, but thank you guys for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing, liking. Please comment, let me know what you think about the drone, what you think about the video, what you think about starboard bow. And also remember, guys, starboard bow, I am not, how does that go? I am not the expert. The expert is Bwine, guys. Bwine is the expert, and all the information, the description, and all that stuff will be in the description of this video. One more clip here. Let's go up a little bit. Oop, the other way, Pete. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go back a little bit this way. Go forward a little bit. Go back a little bit. See, like I said, there's no gimbal on this thing, guys. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing, liking. Guys, don't forget to comment. And again, guys, thanks for checking the video out. Let's go ahead and land this. Alrighty, guys. Thanks again. Oh, yeah. Boom.
Choose an obstacle-free, open area to fly. Long press to power on. Hear a beep and see a flashing light indicates the drone is power on. Take out and install the joysticks. Long press for 3 seconds to turn on the remote. Automatic pairing takes about 50 seconds. Pull out the phone holder and put the phone on it. And then connect the phone with the RC cable. Enter the Bwine GPS app. Please agree to the permission request for the pop-up window. Tap the control icon to enter the display interface. The F7Mini SE drone does not require calibration, so you can jump directly to the next step. After calibration is completed, start searching for GPS signals. When the tail light changes from slow green flashing to steady on, it means the GPS search is complete and the drone can be unlocked and taken off. You can turn on beginner mode and set flight parameters as needed. Push the lever to the 5 and 7 o'clock positions to unlock the motors. Push up the left joystick to take off. Or tap the takeoff icon of the app. Left joystick adjusts the aircraft's altitude and nose direction. Right joystick control the directions of drone flight. Press to take a photo. Press to record video. Adjust the camera angle up and down. There are 3 speeds. You can switch at any time. Press 1 key return button. The drone will automatically return. In addition, if you want to fly indoors, please switch to attitude mode.